Visit Brighton.xyz for more on windshield glass. Welcome to Brighton. Enjoy the video. 2 years ago, we did a comparison video of the Permatex versus 3M windshield repair kits. You can go to our Brighton channel to see the full video. Today's video shows a closer look at how the repair has held up great after 2 years. This is with the car in the garage. We also videoed this clip going down the highway, and you can see that it is barely noticeable even after 2 years. The repair has held and is completely intact. This is how the original chips looked before the repair and right after the repair. This is how the repair looked right after the repair and 2 years after the repair. Visit Brighton.xyz to learn more about windshield glass and to see other fun and interesting videos. Thanks for watching.